Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that a staggering number of apps are downloaded daily? Stick around because today we're diving into the world of app development with a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Starting off, let's address the common challenges that beginners often face when venturing into the realm of app development. From choosing the right platform to understanding UI design and coding, it can seem like a daunting task. But fear not, we've got you covered. Now, let's jump into the nitty-gritty of app development. We'll walk you through the entire process, from selecting the platform that best suits your needs to crafting a visually appealing UI that enhances user experience. And of course, we'll delve into the coding aspect, breaking it down into manageable steps. As we progress through this tutorial, we'll reach a key moment, the first time you run your app. It's a thrilling experience that marks a significant milestone in your app development journey. Embrace this moment and let it fuel your passion for creating innovative apps. As we wrap up, let's recap the crucial steps we've covered today. Building your first app from scratch is no small feat, and you should be proud of your accomplishment. Remember, this is just the beginning of an exciting adventure into the world of app development. Before we go, don't forget to show some love by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials. Share your own app development experiences in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of creating your own app in today's digital age? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to walk you through the process step by step in this tutorial for beginners. Building an app from scratch may seem daunting, especially for those with no coding experience. But don't worry, it's totally achievable, even for beginners like you. So, let's start by addressing the common challenges faced by beginners when starting to build their first app. These challenges often include not knowing where to begin, feeling overwhelmed by the technical aspects, or simply lacking the coding experience needed. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, the exploration and development phase. We'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating your app. This includes selecting the platform you want to build on, designing the user interface to make it visually appealing, and coding the functionalities to make your app interactive and user-friendly. As you progress through the development process, there will be a key moment that stands out, successfully running the first test version of your app on a device. This is a milestone that marks your progress and motivates you to keep going. In conclusion, let's recap the main steps we've covered in this tutorial. Remember, with dedication and perseverance, anyone can build their first app. It's all about taking that first step and staying committed to the journey. Now, here comes the fun part, I want to hear from you. Share your progress and experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on app development and other tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.